Welcome back to my channel. I got in some ladybugs.
There's one thing under there. Get it.
Oh, I see it. And I'm getting ready to release the ladybugs into my garden. Oh my gosh. I've watered it. And I was out here cleaning up a whole bunch of stuff.
Well, if you don't grab that thing, it's on him. Make it in here. It'll be in here.
Oh, we don't. Come on. Here, hold it.
Get closer.
Okay.
Man, that little slit ain't doing nothing. I better crawl out. Y'all better move if y'all don't want to get cut. Did I just cut you? Get off me.
Oh, see? That's what I ain't had want. They don't tear it.
I thought it was a bag that would like open like a ziploc bag.
Okay, that's enough.
In here?
Yeah.
Alright, so somebody
No, I'm saying put
Dang.
Put what?
close the bag.
Oh.
What the hell?
I can do a close up on it.
See, that's what I had want right there. Them climbing up on my arm.
Oh, y'all still escaping.
But that one digging? That one don't got dots. You see them? They moving. I can't.
So
Oh, they crawling now.
Oh, they crawling.
Somebody put a cap on it.
I'm on the phone.
Caleb.
Really? You got two hands.
One guy on the plant. If that's okay. Is that to get the nets, right?
Oh.
The mealybugs, aphids, and soft body insects.
It probably can't.
But I've been seeing some of everything in here. Oh.
Oh shit. Sorry about you under here.
They don't look dead. They look like they're eating something. Some of them. We put half of the bag in here right now. And I'm putting the, forgot what you call them, back on here for when I need to put my shade cloth on or my top when it rains heavily. I'm still debating if I want to put some over here because I really don't have any problems over here other than the drainage is terrible, so I have to put it in mounds. But safe to say that the tomatoes love it in the heavily saturated soil. I gotta find somewhere to put this grape bush. And I split the I didn't even notice it was two together. They were so tight together. But it probably would have been twice that size, but I didn't realize that it was two in there until today. But yeah, I try to give you an update. I'm gonna come check on them in the morning to see how many ladybugs are still in here. Right now, they just seem to be crawling on the. I see, baby, crawling on the soaker holes. And the trampoline is still looking good. If you haven't seen the video where I fix everything with the pool noodles, that's what's on there now, the pool noodles. That little black thing is for shade. They use it for shade. Oh, water, you get me? Okay, that is it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys me releasing the ladybugs into the garden. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos. They're trying to wet me up with the water. See you on the next one.